press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, welcome back to the class. So yes, in our previous class we have studied about a lesson Chennai. Yes, the city of temples. So this Chennai is situated at the southeast coast of India and faces the Bay of Bengal. So Chennai, formerly known as Madras Patnam, and earlier name Madras. Understood, children? Yes. And Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. And Chennai has numerous educational centers and a commercial hub of South India. So this city founded on 22nd August 1639. Yes, children. And Chennai, it become a metropolitan city. And Chennai is a coastal city with the second longest beach in the world, and also emerged as a metropolitan city, emerged with their fourth largest city in the country. Understood, children? So this is all about the previous class. Now we will see further part of this lesson. So those are festivals celebrated, places of the tourist interest, and last one, many other things of the city. Yes, children. So ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನಾವಿವತ್ತು study ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. First one, festivals. Festivals celebrated. So festivals celebrated. Festivals means like ಹಬ್ಬ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವಾ. All the main Indian festivals are celebrated in this Chennai. Understood, children? So all the main festivals, those are Diwali, Dasara, and Mahashivaratri, Ganesha Chaturthi, and Holi. So these festivals are celebrated of this city. Understood, children? So main Indian festivals. So main Indian festivals means like Diwali and Holi and Maha Shivaratri, yes, Mahashivaratri, and Navaratri, and also Ganesha Chaturthi. Yes, children, Ganesha Chaturthi. Yes, these all festivals are main Indian festivals are celebrated of this city. So of this city means Chennai. Understood, children? And also they celebrate one most important festival like Pongal. Understood? So harvest festival. So another one festival, a Pongal, a harvest festival is also celebrated in this city. So dear children, so here harvest means Suggi. So harvest andre ಏನili Suggi. So it means harvest Suggi ಹಬ್ಬ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಆ ಒಂದು ಅವರು ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರೋ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬೆಳೆಯನ್ನ ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಆಚರಣೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಶ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಆ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ South India and known as Indian version Western Thanksgiving. So Thanksgiving festivals ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Harvest means ಸುಗ್ಗಿ, ನೇಚರ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. Understood, children? So Pongal. So most important festival in this city, Pongal. Understood, children? Pongal. Pongal. So Pongal, a harvest festival, is the most important festival of this city. So it is celebrated on the in the month of January for 4 days. So it is celebrated the month of January for 4 days. So 4 days means like January 13th to January 16th. Understood, children? So this harvest festival in the city Chennai people celebrated in the month of January, and they are celebrated for 4 days. 4 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಅವರು ಆಚರಣೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Understood, children? And also Chennai is famous for its music and art. So it's music and art. So this is a Diwali, Holi, Maha Shivaratri and Navaratri, Ganesha Chaturthi. So these are all the Indian festivals, commonly Indian festivals. Understood, children? Yes. See here, Pongal. Pongal, a harvest festival. It is the most important festival in Chennai. Understood, children? Yes. And Chennai is also famous for its music and art. So music and art. Understood, children? Music and art. So in our country, India, so India have so many dance forms also there. Understood? So ನಮ್ಮ India country, so dance forms ತುಂಬಾ ಇದಾವೆ. So ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, so each states also have one particular its own dance form. Understood, children? Yes. So as well as like Tamil Nadu also has have its own dance form like Bharatanatyam. So Bharatanatyam is the most popular classical dance form. Where? So Chennai. Understood, children? So Bharatanatyam is a famous classical dance form. So which dance form? Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam. Understood, children? So Bharatanatyam. So Bharatanatyam. So Bharatanatyam is the famous classical dance form. And Chennai is also known for weaving and designing of cloth. So weaving means like ನೇಯ್ಗೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೇಯುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ, weaving. And designing of cloth. So designing of cloths means like a floral design. So floral design ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್. So it's like a floral design. Floral design means like a flowers ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. So some ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ನೋಡುವಂತ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ some designs ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. So Chennai is also known for weaving and designing of cloths. Understood, children? And in our country, we can see a many variety of culture, tradition and food habit, and also traditional dress form. Understood? So languages means like some state concerned languages also there. The Karnataka people speak Kannada, and Maharashtra people speak Marathi, and Kolkata people speak Bengali. Understood? So like we can see many variety of culture, tradition and traditional dress form and food habit, languages like. And also Chennai has its own traditional dress form. Understood, children? Yes. So like women, so in Chennai, so women wear sari and blouse. So women wear sari and blouse. Understood, children? Blouse. Yes. And men wear. So men wear vesti. So this is women. Women wear a traditional dress form, sari and blouse. And men wear vesti. V-E-S-H-T-I. Vesti means dhoti. So dhoti anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ panche. Understood, children? So usually men wear vesti and shirt. Understood? So men wear here vesti and dhoti. Dhoti means andre panche. Understood? And shirt. So commonly men wear vesti and shirt. So and also girls wear pavadai. So pavadai means it is a one new word. ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಒಂದು ಪದ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ಪಾವಡೈ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಲಂಗಾ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ಲಂಗಾ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಪಾವಡೈ. ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ವೇ ಪಾವಡೈ. ಸೊ ಪಾವಡೈ. Understood, children? Yes. And Chennai has a many factories that manufacture railway coaches and cars and trucks. So as well as like Kolkata also have many industries. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಮೆನಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿತ್ತು ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ಲೈಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನೈ. ಸೊ ಚೆನ್ನೈ's capital, it means Tamil Nadu's capital Chennai. So in this Chennai have many factories that manufactures like railway coaches and cars and trucks. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಕೋಚಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೋಗಿಗಳು, ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಬೋಗಿಗಳನ್ನ ತಯಾರಿಸುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಆಟೋಮೊಬೈಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೀಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ 4-wheelers. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ language Tamil. Understood? So already we know that in our country, a big country with the large population, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ we can see a different types of languages. Understood? So for example, already I told Maharashtra people speak Marathi and Karnataka people speak Kannada, and here Assami people speak Assami. Understood? And Andhra people speak Telugu, like that. So Tamil people also speak Tamil. Understood? So speak Tamil. Yes, children. So main official language in Tamil Nadu, language Tamil, and also English also spoken by the educated people. So here educated people. So educated people ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ರೂಢಿಯನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ. So commonly they speak Tamil, and also educated people spoken English. Understood? English also spoken by the educated people. English, and another one language English. Understood, children? Yes. And Chennai has a many large film industries. Chennai also has film industry where hundreds of Tamil films produced every year. So 100 films. So Tamil industry means like a Kollywood ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕಾಲಿವುಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಲಿವುಡ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್, ಹಾಲಿವುಡ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ತಮಿಳ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಿವುಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಫಿಲಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ over 100 of Tamil films are produced in this Chennai every year. So ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ 100ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. Understood children? Yes. And Chennai has many places of the tourist interest. Yes. Chennai has many places of tourist interest. The main attraction of this city, Marina Beach. So already we know that the city of Tamil Nadu has a natural coastline, a length of 992 anta helide nanu alva. So our India also has a longest coastline. So longest coastline means like 7,500 kilometers. Nama India coastal line means like here, see, this is the east and west. So east and west coastline, 7,500 kilometers longest coastline. Understood? Yes. And Tamil Nadu, Chennai also we can locate here. So this is a Chennai. Chennai means a Tamil Nadu. Understood? So Tamil Nadu coastal line. So these coastal line already I told this coastal line we can call Coromandel coast. So here the length of coastal line, here the length of natural coastline. Understood? So in our India, Tamil Nadu has a natural coastline. So Coromandel coast length of 992 kilometers. Understood children? Yeah. So that's why the main attraction of the city, ಈ ಚೆನ್ನೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೆರಿನಾ ಬೀಚ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್, ಮೆರಿನಾ beach. Understood? Yes. This is the main attraction of the city. And also it is the second longest beach in the world. So second longest beach in the world. ಇದನ್ನ ಎರಡನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಈ ಬೀಚ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲೇ ಎರಡನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಬೀಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಮೆರಿನಾ ಬೀಚ್, second longest beach in the world. And also another one beach, VGP beach. Which one? VGP. So VGP beach. This is a full form. VG Panir Das beach. Understood? So VGP beach is a popular with children. So popular with children means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ವಾತಾವರಣವನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ರೈಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮೆನಿ ರೈಡ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸವಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸವಾರಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟಾಯ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಯಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನೈ is a many places of the tourist attraction. The main center of this city, a Marina Beach. A Marina Beach is the second longest, not largest, longest beach in the world. And another one beach, a VGP beach. Understood children? Yes. So this is only a tourist attraction. So already we know that Chennai, we also know known the city of temples. The city of temples ಅಂತನೇ ನಾವು ಕರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ? ಚೆನ್ನೈ has more than 30,000 temples. Chennai has a more than 30,000 temples. So in your textbook they are given only 2 temples. So Kapali Swarar temple and Parata Sarathi temple. So ಇನ್ನು temples ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Famous temples ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ. And these temples, it means a very popular marvelous stone carving. So marvelous means it's causing a great wonder. It's causing great wonder. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಾರ್ವಲಸ್. ಮಾರ್ವಲಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ವಂಡರ್, ಅದ್ಭುತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ temples, especially Kapali Swarar temple and another one like Parata Sarathi temples. Okay, so first temple, Kapali Swarar temple. Kapali Swarar temple and another one Partha Sarathi temples. So these two temples, so Kapali Swarar temple and Partha Sarathi temple, these temples are very famous in Chennai. And also temple in Chennai have marvelous stone carving. So stone carving means kettane. So one small example means near Harihar. So Harihareshwara temple. So Harihareshwara temple alli now stone carving ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Understood? So this is Chennai is famous for temple. So why? Because Chennai has more than temples, like more than 30,000 temples. Understood, children? So that's why we given a nickname, the city of temples. Understood, children? So this is all about the festivals celebrated. So festivals celebrated means the main festival Pongal, the harvest festival. So western alli ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೇಚರ್. ಸೊ ನೇಚರ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಪೊಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನ್ ಬೆಳಿತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾಡಿ, ಭತ್ತವನ್ನ ಬೆಳಿತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪೊಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡಿಶಸ್ ನಾವು ಈ ಅಕ್ಕಿಯಿಂದ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಕಿಯಿಂದ ತಯಾರಿಸಿರುವಂತ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಪೊಂಗಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಂಗಲ್ನು ಸಹ ನಾವು ಅಕ್ಕಿಯಿಂದನೇ ತಯಾರಿಸಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಡಿಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ದ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ in Chennai, like a Pongal, harvest festival. So main Indian festivals like Diwali, Holi, Dasara and Navaratri and Mahashivaratri and also the Ganesha Chaturthi. So commonly they are celebrated here. Understood? And one particular dance form, so Tamil, it means Chennai is famous for Bharatanatyam dance form. Understood? And also it's a music and art. And commonly in the women wear sari and blouse and men wear vesti. Vesti means dhoti, panche anteli ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And shirt. And girls wear pavadai. Pavadai means langa blouse. Langa blouse ಅನ್ನು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ wear ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And so many factories also. Factories that manufactures railway coaches, car and trucks. And also film industry, Kollywood. Okay. And Chennai has many places, tourist attraction places like Marina Beach, a famous Marina Beach, and another one VGP, Golden Beach, and another one is temples. So Chennai temples, especially Kapali Swarar temple, and another one the Partha Sarathi temple. Yes. So Chennai, population of the Chennai, so 10.9 crore. Understood, children? So commonly at 10.9 million. So according to area, the square feet ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು? So 1189 kilometers. Understood, children? So in our India map, where we can locate means the south part. Understood? So I will complete this India map. See. So dear children, every day you should practice this map. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸರಿ ನಾನು ಲೆಸನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ವಿನಿಯೆಂಟಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ವಿನಿಯೆಂಟಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೋ ನೀವು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್. So this is the Gujarat west side and this is the east. East means like a eastern part, seven sisters. Understood? And this is a south. Yes. And so this is a Rajasthan. I'll take a small curve here and this is a Jammu and Kashmir. And so here Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Understood, children? Yes. And this is the north and eastern part. So south east coast. So here south Chennai is situated at the south. So this is the south southern India. So south east coastline and east side it faces the Bay of Bengal. So here Bay of Bengal. Understood? So Bay of Bengal and here Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. Yes, children. So in your textbook also they are given a location of Chennai. See here location of Chennai. So Chennai na ಅವರು east coast ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Understood? And especially in Tamil Nadu coast, what we call that coast, Coromandel coast. Understood? So this is in this class we are all about the this lesson, a lesson Chennai. Understood, children? Yes. So in the next class we will learn summary of a lesson Chennai. Understood, children? Yes. Thank you.